Now I want to bring in NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris. Misty, thank you so much for joining us. Talk a little bit, Kelly talked about how we have a big team pouring through these documents that are just starting to come in, and that work is ongoing as we are on the air here and having this conversation. But give us a sense of what can be released and also what will likely be withheld in this release.
Yeah, Kristen. So yeah, I'm working my way through these documents as with the rest of the team. But there are a couple of buckets of information that can be legally withheld under this law. The first is what Kelly and Tom were both speaking about. You have information that is redacted or taken out of this drop of information to protect those who were victimized. We saw these photographs, some of which are very, very graphic. They are redacted. There's phone numbers that are redacted, non-public identifiable information taken out to protect those individuals. That's one bucket. Then we have another bucket, which is a bit of a loophole in this law, and it's a bit more subjective than that. And it's documents and information that relate to ongoing investigations. So this is an exception in the act for what the Department of Justice has to make public. So that would be anything that is related to what we now know, Pam Bondi opening up an investigation earlier in September relating to ties between some Democrats and Jeffrey Epstein. So they have 15 days after the release of these documents. The Department of Justice has to say why and basically set forth a justification for materials that were not disclosed because they fall into that loophole in the law. So that's some of what we might not see as we work our way through this tremendously voluminous amount of information.